Hi, this is Michael Beach and Layla with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. We're going to talk to you today about 3 wonderful pointers about communication. First of all, I want to make sure you're aware that the words that you use when you're talking with your teammates have an incredible amount of power, so use them wisely. Second pointer is this: you have to communicate encouragement and gratitude in proportion. What's the proportion? Well, when you're first getting started, the proportion might be 80% encouragement and gratitude and maybe only 20% correction. As you get more positive over time and you build more momentum, that percentage proportion can move up to maybe 95% encouragement and only 5% correction. Final pointer is this: people don't want to be told what to do. So show, don't tell. Paint a picture so everybody knows your vision and why it's going to be a great thing when we get there. You'll have a lot of success. See you next time.